The first thing you can do in Photoshop is to open or create a file. Upon opening Photoshop, your start screen should look like this. On the left side is the toolbox, on the top are the settings, and on the right, the opened windows. Even if there is no picture or image on your start screen, you can always go to the Start menu, click File, and then File New to create a new file, or File Open to open an already existing file. In this case, we'll open a document that already exists. After you click File Open, it will open in a new window. The name of the picture is displayed at the top. When working with pictures, the most frequently needed windows are the History, the Layers, the Paths if you're working with selections, and the Info panel. If you want to add a window, you can do it by clicking Window at the top, then choosing one of the windows you want to use, for example, the Info panel. A window will appear holding the information about the colors comprised in a certain area. You can move the window by holding and dragging it to a spot of your liking. If you wish to remove it, you need to hold it, drag it away from that spot, and press X. All other kinds of tabs and windows operate in the same way. On the left is the toolbox, containing all of the tools we use in Photoshop. Some of them are visible, but in order to display the rest of the tools, you need to right-click. Every tool has different options and controls situated at the top. Upon selecting a certain tool, the Options bar also changes to present the options for the selected tool. For example, if you pick the brush, the options for the brush will appear. If you pick the eraser, the options for the eraser will appear, etc. For the brush, for example, you can set the opacity, the flow, and the size. One of the best features of Photoshop is the fact that it allows you to be flexible and change every single thing you've done along the way.